How you doing?
Pretty good. What you?
All right, just taking a walk around and see what's going on.
Doing the same thing you are. Just
yeah, I mean, you know, you can't even walk though, except in the road.
I know. Well, at least I have a cloud up here. It's not even a cloud back where we're at.
Just met this guy walk over to the shopping center just to see how much it's got cleared out. Plow's having a hard time. Few folks walking around. It's even hard to walk. You can see my street here. Only got one little narrow path, one little narrow lane. That's the only place you can walk. Snow's so deep. Fire department. I try to walk to work tomorrow. The pub's the only thing open in the shopping center. Now here's down by the entrance to my apartment. You can see they haven't even plowed here. Looks like they went through once. But they basically stopped right here. So this is my part of the complex here. You can see how thick the snow is on the branches. My car is just beyond where that couple is right now. As tall as the minivan, it's right next to them right now. Next to me, I got some energetic neighbors who have cleared themselves out, but I don't know where the hell they're going to go. Hey. We got one snowblower in the complex. There's my car. One of my neighbors with a lot of energy. And this is an even younger couple. They got both their cars out. No, that's the other couple, right? So in order to dig these cars out, they had to walk their snow across the parking lot and throw it over there. So that's the pile for just 2 cars. And as you can see, this mountain of snow on her car, it's kind of hard just to find a place to throw it. And then look what we got behind us. So I don't think I'm going to try to even dig out tomorrow. I might try to walk to the Owen Brown Giant, which is about, I think 3 or 4 miles from here. I might do that on Sunday. But that's the only thing I'm going to attempt to do, if I do that at all. I might change my mind in the morning.